Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about how to break sugar addiction in 30 days. Sugar addiction is a pervasive problem in today's society, with excessive sugar consumption linked to various health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Breaking free from sugar addiction is not easy, but it is essential for improving your overall well-being. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore a 30-day plan to help you kick the sugar habit for good. Day 17, Awareness and Education. The first week of your journey to break sugar addiction is all about building awareness and educating yourself about the sources of sugar in your diet. Take inventory. Start by taking a close look at your current eating habits. Document everything you consume, paying particular attention to foods and drinks that contain added sugars. Read labels. Learn to read food labels carefully. Look for hidden sugars under various names such as high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and agave nectar. Understand sugar's effects. Educate yourself on the health risks associated with excessive sugar consumption. This knowledge will serve as motivation throughout your journey. Plan your meals. Begin planning your meals to include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense choices will help reduce sugar cravings. Day 8-14, Sugar Reduction. During the second week, you'll start actively reducing your sugar intake. Gradual reduction. Start by gradually decreasing the amount of sugar in your diet. Cut back on sugary snacks, desserts, and sugary drinks. Choose natural sweeteners. If you need to sweeten your foods or drinks, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Increase fiber intake. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like oats, legumes, and vegetables into your diet. Fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, as sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Day 15-21, Mindful Eating. The third week focuses on mindful eating practices that can help you regain control over your sugar cravings. Slow down. Practice eating slowly and savoring each bite. This allows your brain to register fullness, reducing the urge to overeat sugary foods. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Eat only when you are genuinely hungry, not out of habit or emotion. Healthy snacking. Choose healthier snacks like fresh fruit, nuts, or yogurt with no added sugars when you need a pick-me-up between meals. Identify triggers. Identify emotional or situational triggers that lead to sugar cravings. Finding healthier ways to cope with these triggers is crucial for long-term success. Day 22-30, Reinforcement and Maintenance. The final week focuses on reinforcing your new habits and setting yourself up for long-term success. Positive self-talk. Continuously remind yourself of your progress and the benefits of reducing sugar in your diet. Stay positive and motivated. Support system. Lean on friends or family for support, or consider joining a support group or seeking the guidance of a registered dietitian. Diversify your diet. Experiment with new, healthy recipes and foods to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Occasional treats. Allow yourself the occasional treat, but keep it in moderation. This prevents feelings of deprivation, which can lead to overindulgence. Conclusion. Breaking a sugar addiction is a challenging but rewarding journey that can significantly improve your health and overall well-being. By following this 30-day plan, you'll gain awareness, reduce sugar intake, adopt mindful eating habits, and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, it's essential to be patient with yourself, as breaking any addiction takes time and effort. Celebrate your achievements along the way and focus on the positive changes you're making in your life. With determination and the right strategies, you can break free from sugar addiction and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.